Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to talk about tools. And we're going to talk more about precision screwdriver set. And it comes with 82 pieces for professional electronics, and also it's a repair kit for cell phones, iPads, and other things you could do, tablets, computers, cameras, and watches. So let's go ahead and take a look at what you guys get when you purchase this. So let's go ahead. So I like this itself. It's a freaking badass little little bag to carry around. So I like that you open it up different ways, and everything's hidden in here. So we're gonna bring the camera a little bit closer to a little bit further back so you guys can see it. The first thing you do when you open it up, everything is really nice and neat in its place. So let's go ahead and open every tool that we have in here. It's pretty much set up already in here. And they give you a bracelet here. This is crazy. They give you one of these electronic bracelets, a static free bracelet. That's included in there. They give you other additional stuff. I'm not quite sure what this is for, but we'll find out. Now, on top of that, they do give you additional, this is a suction cup, so when you want to actually take off some of the monitors out, especially on the surfaces, this is pretty much what you do. Now, they do have a bobby pin, kind of like a pin right here. This is what actually to take out the SD cards, swap out certain things on your components. The old CD players used to push on in and eject the CD player, but it's pretty much for all the micro SD cards that are included on your cell phone to eject. So it's not bad, it comes included with it. On top of that, they give you like these guitar picks, but they're not guitar picks. They're pretty much to unlock certain cell phones on the side of the cell phones, move it around different locations. You want to unpop some of the covers and stuff like that, and your nails can't do it. This will do the job, and it's pretty decent. They give you two of them. On top of that, they give you all these plastic accessories. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. I'm missing one, but I'm not. Actually, I moved it around. It was on this side. I actually put it on one area, so we're gonna put it back where it was. Now they give you these tweezers, small little tweezers, so you could grab some of the screws in there. So it's not that bad. If you guys see that, I like this whole set already as it is. This one right here, another set of tweezers. This is kind of a little pointy, so you guys can see that. A little spatula to remove some of the stuff, or actually unlock some of the phones too. It has a little grip here. Material is not the greatest. It's aluminum. You don't want to use some of the aluminum on electrical stuff. You want to make sure, because it's a good conductor of electricity. These other also little slips to actually remove some of the covers too. So in case some of the phones, you pick them up on the side of it. It's another little tool they give you, and they give you additional tools. These are all the same pretty much, but they're different sizes, of course. And of course, these are wear and tear. They're gonna tear apart. These are made plastic, durable plastic, but in time it's gonna start breaking, chipping off. Of course, the more you use them. Right now they're a little sharp, but they're gonna dull up a couple of times you use them on any systems you have. Now the set itself, it's all. Let's open it up in here so we can see what you guys get on the set. Let's go to take a look at it and see how well they made it. Well, you could tell if they're magnetized, right? And they give you the Pro Tools set here. The screwdriver itself, it has this little torque right here that you could switch it out. I like it. I like this part of it. Switching it out. See, oh my God, look how long it could get. These are crazy. This is crazy. You could extend this to like a regular screwdriver here, and then put it back. Now let's add one of the screw heads in here, and this is pretty much what you want to do. But like I said, you don't have to use this in particular. You could take it off. This is just an extension for it, and this is pretty much where you actually set up the thing. But remember, if you push it too much in the bottom, it'll go all the way through. So you don't want to, make sure you have that cover. You want to make sure you maybe want to use this part in particular. So that's not a bad idea. Just keep in mind that this could be pushed all the way to the back, and it's just pretty much an extension. So you could use different heads. Of course, this is a tiny screwdriver, really tiny. This would be for watches here. I'm not going to go through all of them here, but there's so many of them they give you, and these didn't even fall offline. They belong as an extra ones. They have them here. This is crazy. Now they do give you an extension one. This is actually an extension for, like, say for corners, you want to twist it, and it starts twisting on one end, and in case it's very difficult to reach out, it comes with a little extension. I like this. I've never used this so much. I mean, only on vehicles, not on actual computers or anything like that. The whole set itself, they're all replaced, they're all removable, and I'm not sure if they're magnetic. Let's find out if they're magnetic. Here I have a screw, and I'm gonna put the screw here, and sometimes by the quality you could tell if they're all magnetized. If they're not magnetized, they're not good quality, you know. So let's find out. No, unfortunately it's not magnetic. This is a boxer one. This is a magnetic one. See, this is not magnetic. None of these are magnetic, so they're not really good quality on the tools, you know. They're very cheap and expensive. You could find them for, like, you know, 15, 18 bucks, 20 bucks. So you want to buy something like this. This is not the tool set for you. This is cheap, durable, throw away pretty much. It's not the greatest tool set, but they give you every single different component you can need for small little tools. And of course they give you a little set of tools. This is a very important tools. Like if you want to remove some of the nuts in here, it's not that bad, you know. Like I said, not the greatest set. It's cheap, inexpensive. It's all base ready to go. If you're on the move, this is a perfect thing for you. Now on the other side, they actually give you more tools, and this is where actually one of the tools belong on this side. And on this one right here in particular, it's pretty much like a similar. They're all going to be similar to open different kind of iPhones, different iPads and stuff like that. It's pretty much edges to unlock certain edges, but this one has a rubber end, and I like this part of it. So it's pretty sharp. You can feel the sharpness on it, and that's what this is. The rubber standing there for there, and they do give you a ruler. It's up to 6 inches on the ruler itself. It's not that bad. I like it. I like where this is going. Let's put this together here. A couple of brushes to sweep some of the dust, or maybe some of the stuff you found a dust bunny in there or something in the computer. There's another way you could unplug some of the stuff. They give you a blade, of course. They give you 2 types of oh, this is the tool that I was looking for. This little pointy tool. So this one has 2 edges. It has a pointy edge and a flat edge, and it has a little indentation here to pick up some of the stuff too. So this one actually belongs on this side. Give you different tools, different metal tools. Like I said, they're all going to be the same, used for the same scenario. It's pretty much removing edges, you know. And this is different types, you know. One ends breaking, the other one ends up replacing. That's pretty much what you're going to end up doing. Your tool is your choice on this one. It's a really neat set that comes included for 18 bucks on Amazon. It's not that bad. I mean, these are tools that you're gonna use in the road. That's what I would use them in the road. So if I'm on the road and I see somebody that has a cracked screen or something that I need to replace, this is for an iPad, an iPhone, or even a laptop replacement. Some parts. This is what you want to use. All right. So it's not that bad. The other than the screwdrivers is cheap material. None of them are magnetized. I don't like that about this case, but if you guys like what you see, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and I bring tools for you guys, for all you IT guys. Until the next time.